Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the topic of shapes and colors and numbers. Can you find heart here? Can you find a circle and star? Let's get it.
三角形，三角形，椭圆形，椭圆形，正方形，正方形，半圆形，半圆形，长方形，长方形，五边形，五边形，圆形，圆形，星形，星形，心形，心形，橙色，橙色，蓝色，蓝色，灰色，灰色，黄色，黄色，黑色，黑色，红色，红色，绿色，绿色，紫色，紫色，粉色，粉色。
Okay, the next one, numbers. Let's count 1, 2, 3 in Chinese together.
零，零，一，一，二，二，三，三，四，四，零像鸡蛋，零像鸡蛋，一条鳄鱼，一条鳄鱼，两只袜子，两只袜子，三辆汽车，三辆汽车，四个苹果，四个苹果，五只大猩猩，六朵蘑菇，六朵蘑菇，七个小矮人，七个小矮人，八只蜜蜂，八只蜜蜂，九个气球，九个气球，十只七星瓢虫，十只七星瓢虫。
Enjoy music here.
门前大桥下游过一群鸭，快来数一数，2、4、6、7、8。门前大桥下游过一群鸭，快来数一数，2、4、6、7、8。10只七星瓢虫，10只七星瓢虫。
Okay, here are the two topics for today. Do you know how to count 1, 2, 3 in Chinese now? Let me check how to say 2 in Chinese. Next video, we will show you more. We are the book supplier in China. There is more information about us on our website. See you next time.